R sub n, or the net radiation, is equals to 6 kilowatts hour per meter squared per day times 41.66 to convert to watts per meter squared. R sub n is equals to 249.6 watts per meter squared, where watts is equals to joules per second. L sub v is equals to 2.501 times 10 raised to 6 minus 2,370 times temperature in degrees Celsius. L sub v is equals to 2.501 times 10 raised to 6 minus 2,370 times 21 degrees Celsius. L sub v is equals to 245 times 10 raised to 6 joules per kilogram. P sub w is equals to 996.3 kilogram per cubic meter. E sub r is equals to r sub n over P sub w times L sub v is equals to Rn over L. Is equals to, substitute the following values: 249.6 joules per second meter squared over 245 times 10 raised to 6 joules per kilogram times 996.3 kilogram per cubic meter. Cancel the following units. E sub r is equals to 1.02 times 10 raised to negative 7 meter per second, which is equivalent to 8.8 millimeter per day. Therefore, in Phoenix, the sun is evaporating water as a long-term average at a rate of 8.8 millimeter per day. Third available method is the aerodynamic method, which includes transport of vapor away from water surface as function of humidity gradient above surface, wind speed across surface, the upward vapor flux, which is equals with a formula of N times V is equals to negative P sub A times K sub W times D Q sub V over D sub Z over D times Z is equals to P sub A times K sub W times Q sub V1 minus Q sub V2 over Z sub 2 minus Z sub 1, where N times V is equals to stress